Hello, everyone, and thank you so very much for your time today. My name is Brian Everett, and on behalf of Team Intelligence, we'd like to thank you for your interest in this specific video segment. I serve as an industry solution principal here at Intelligence and have had over 20 years of experience in the SAP ecosystem. I've served in a variety of industries: chemicals, life science, manufacturing, automotive, and really have seen a variety of different industry trends over that time. I'd like to spend some time here today talking to you a little bit about the manufacturing industry and what we're seeing, and looking at that specifically around the focus on people. When you look at what's going on in the ecosystem presently, it's really staggering. 16 million text messages happening per minute, 4.5 quintillion bytes of information generated on a daily basis, 33 million voice-activated devices in play, staggering items and developments that have occurred that are having an impact on what we're doing in business. And that really has a fundamental change on how we need to be taking a look at that. When you look at the industry trends specifically in manufacturing, you're looking at the roots of Industry 4.0 and how we're bringing in the whole notion of digital manufacturing and digital intelligence into the operation. Being able to use artificial intelligence to be able to optimize what we're doing and how we're manufacturing products, using of 3D printing to produce parts that do not require the traditional aspects of distribution. All very, very important. And then one of those specific parts of importance is what its impact is having on our people. Manufacturing is really at a cusp of change here, and we need to deal with a lot of the aspects of human capital management. How do we win that war for talent? The talent that we need today is very, very scarce, and we're needing to find a way to attract that talent, but not only attract it, but maintaining that talent and making sure that they're successful in our organization, wanting to work with us. Sometimes manufacturing jobs are not the most glamorous jobs out there, and we need to be able to find a way to have them grow in a way that they will be interested, learning, and continuing to be invested into that business. So winning for that war for talent is very, very important. And it happens down at the shop floor level all the way up to the top floor level. You need to be mindful of what those sorts of criteria are and what's important to be able to get that. People are interested in having a safe place to work. They're also looking at how do they grow their careers. All that's very, very important. And at the same time, from a company and a corporate perspective, we need to be looking at how do we recruit jobs for the future by supplementing the existing talent that we have, and then also getting into augmenting that with new talent. That we're recruiting for jobs that will be not just in the present, but also there in the future. And that's really important. And how do we do that? So there's a lot of solutions out there, and we need to be mindful of that. Companies that are looking at the digital reality and embracing that and looking at technologies that will augment their people's skills, building their skills, growing their core competency will allow that company to be more successful in the future. That's just a segment or a cusp of what we're looking at right now in the industry, and there's a lot more other topics. If you're interested in this and wish to discuss with this further with us, please don't hesitate to contact myself or anyone at our Team Intelligence. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.